Did you know gasoline goes bad? That's right. Just like milk, it has a shelf life. And if you've got an old gas can sitting in the garage, or your car's been parked for months, you could be one start away from a major problem. Bad gas doesn't just smell funky. It can clog your fuel system, wreck your engine, and leave you stranded at the worst possible time. But how fast does it go bad? What are the warning signs? And can you stop it from happening? Stick around, because the answers might just save your engine and your wallet. I will also share one mistake with old gasoline that could destroy your fuel system and cost you over $2,000 in repairs. Let's dive in. Gasoline is a highly refined petroleum-based fuel derived from crude oil. Does gasoline go bad? The short answer is yes. And not only does it go bad, it can go bad faster than you think. Gasoline is a volatile liquid, meaning it changes when exposed to air. The oxygen in the air causes the fuel to oxidize, breaking down its chemical structure. Over time, it forms gums and varnishes that clog your fuel system. So, when you try to start your engine with it, the car may struggle to ignite, idle roughly, or even stall. If it does ignite, it won't burn cleanly, potentially leading to engine knock, carbon buildup, and emissions problems. There are 3 dead giveaways to tell if your gasoline has gone bad. First, the smell. Fresh gas has a crisp, slightly sweet aroma, but bad gas has sour, stale, almost like varnish smell. Second, the color. Fresh gas is almost clear or pale yellow. If your gas looks dark brown, cloudy, or rusty, it's toast. Third, performance. If your engine sputters, misfires, or won't start after sitting for a while, chances are your fuel's gone bad. Now let's discuss how long does gas last before it goes bad. Most people assume gas will last indefinitely in their tank, but the reality is very different. On average, regular gasoline without additives starts to degrade in as little as 3 to 6 months when stored under normal conditions. And if you're using ethanol-blended fuel like E10, which most of us do, it has even shorter shelf life, usually around 2 to 3 months. Ethanol is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air. It pulls water from the air and dilutes the fuel. That moisture leads to phase separation, which literally splits the fuel into layers, one that burns and one that won't. And that's a recipe for engine trouble. If you mix gasoline with a high-quality fuel stabilizer, it can last 12 to 24 months, depending on the brand and conditions. Now let's discuss what happens if you use old or bad gas. If you use bad gasoline in your engine, it can lead to poor combustion, meaning the fuel doesn't burn completely. That causes carbon buildup, reduced fuel economy, and rough idling. Your engine might knock or ping, or worse, refuse to start. Over time, the residue from bad fuel clogs your fuel filter, fouls your fuel injectors, and can even cause complete engine failure. Now, let's discuss tips to prevent gas from going bad. 1. Add a fuel stabilizer. Add a stabilizer like Sta-Bil or Seafoam to gasoline if you plan to store it longer than 30 days. These products prevent oxidation and moisture buildup, keeping gas fresh for up to 12 to 24 months. 2. Store gas in airtight, approved containers. Store your gasoline in airtight tanks or containers away from heat and sunlight to limit evaporation and contamination. 3. Keep tanks as full as possible. It is recommended to keep your tanks full to reduce airspace, which minimizes moisture absorption and oxidation. 4. Run your car periodically. If a car won't be driven for months, run it periodically or top off the tank with fresh fuel to dilute the old gasoline. That's all for this video. So, the next time you're tempted to leave gas sitting around, remember, it's not liquid gold forever. Gasoline can and does go bad, and knowing how to handle it might just save your ride, your wallet, and your engine.